Grizzly bears. Grizzly bears were listed as threatened under the U.S. Endangered Species Act of 1975. By 1983, the Interagency Grizzly Bear Committee was founded. They are committed to recovering grizzly bears in the North Cascade ecosystem of Washington state. A recent count has grizzly bear numbers as low as 20 bears in the area. The North Cascade Recovery Area covers almost 10,000 square miles, the largest in the United States. 68% of this land is not accessible by motor vehicles, making it safer for the bears. The reason for endangerment is the area they're in. Because the bears are so isolated there is not much room for genetic diversity and gene pool mixing. This causes their health and birth rates to decline. These bears also have the slowest reproduction time of mammals in North America, further contributing to the threat of extinction. It could take 100 or more years to replenish the population unless bears from other areas are introduced, which could produce a whole host of other problems, such as territorialism and new diseases that have not yet touched the current population. This in turn could be counterproductive. The lynx. The lynx is one of the rarest cats in Washington state, numbering probably fewer than 100. The lynx has little known about it. It has long legs and large paws that give it an advantage in the snow compared to other carnivores that might inhabit the same territory. The lynx live in boreal forests in the mountains in north-central Washington and northeastern Washington. It is believed that lynx have been immigrating to Washington from Canada that has higher population. This in the long term may help with population in Washington. The lynx was added to the threatened species list of the Endangered Species Act in April of 2000. Prior to 1947, lynx in Washington were classified as a predatory animal. They even had a bounty of $5. They were trapped and hunted until 1991. This is not the only reason they were decreasing in numbers. Forest fires and new roads with high traffic volumes contribute as well. It is thought that snow compaction on forest roads may affect the degree in which lynx have to compete with coyotes and other carnivores, but little data is known. The gray wolf. The gray wolf was classified as an endangered species in 1973. However, wolves in the eastern third of Washington state were removed from federal protection under the ESA, or Endangered Species Act. Washington is composed of 3 recovery areas which include eastern Washington, the Cascades, and the northwest coast. Currently, there are 90 known wolves and 19 known packs. The wolf population increased 32% over 2014. Unfortunately, in recent months of 2016, the eastern part of the state where it is legal to kill wolves, 7 wolves of the Profanity Peak pack were killed in order to stop maiming and killing of cows and other livestock.